Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to verify your wallet with a blockchain explorer. Verifying your wallet with a blockchain explorer in Green Bitcoin Wallet is essential step for ensuring that your Bitcoin transactions are valid and properly recorded in the blockchain. First, launch the Green Bitcoin Wallet application on your device and select the wallet from here. Then unlock the application using your PIN or biometrics. From the main dashboard, you can see the transaction history, where there is a list of all wallets incoming and outgoing transactions. Tap on specific transaction from your history to view its detail. Once you open the transaction detail, you will see a transaction ID, TX ID or hash. This unique identifier is what you will use to verify the transaction on the blockchain. Now you can use any popular blockchain explorer to view your transaction. Some common ones are blockstream.info, blockchair.com, mempool.space. Visit the Explorer website. On the search bar of the Explorer, paste the transaction ID you copied from the wallet. After pasting the ID, click on Search to find a transaction on the blockchain. Once a transaction is found, verify the following key details: number of confirmation, transaction status, input and output address, amount sent, and transaction fee. You can also check the overall balance or history of a specific Bitcoin address in your wallet. Copy the Bitcoin address and then search for the address in Explorer. Check balance and transaction history. This helps you verify the wallet is showing the current balance and that all previous transactions are accurately recorded. Verifying your wallet and transaction using Bitcoin Explorer ensures that everything is correctly recorded on the blockchain. By checking the transaction status, confirmation, and wallet balance, you gain peace of mind knowing that your Bitcoin payments are secure and successfully proceed. So that is how you can verify a wallet in Blockchain Explorer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.